Okay guys, so today we are going to be going over how to properly install a ignition coil on a small engine. So first of all, you're going to want to get your coil, and then you'll notice that it says this side out, and then on the other side it says cylinder side. So cylinder side is this side down, so you're going to want to put it down, make sure it fits. Just double check, and then you're gonna want to get that female connector and put your kill wire on. Then you're gonna want to line it up, get your screws, thread your screws into there. Don't tighten them down yet because just don't. And thread your screws into there, and then we can get a business card and a wrench that'll fit that. So that's all you're gonna need to install one of these coils as soon as you have your coil on hand. Okay guys, so I got my average business card here. I'm gonna put my business card in there. I'm gonna hold the business card in the coil back, spin the engine over to where my flywheel magnets are at. Okay, let it suck itself in there, and then we will make sure our screws or bolts are snug by ratcheting them down. This bolt head's a little bit shallow, so it's kind of hard to fit a 1/4 inch socket on there. So anyway, get these things tightened down. And then slide the flywheel to get the card out. And then, yeah, and that's how you gap your coil. So, yeah, I will continue with doing that. Okay guys, so I got the coil on there and gapped. So this coil originally didn't come with a boot, so I had to rob the spark plug, the rubber spark plug boot off my old coil. Just gonna put this thing on here, and then yeah, so a little oil or something may help, but okay guys, so I got it. And this wire is a small bit long, probably about 1 inch or so too long, but we could probably make do with that. So put our plug wire on there. Okay, it fits pretty good. As I said, we got a little bit of extra wire, but that's probably fine. So let's see if we did everything right. So let's get my handy dandy spark tester. Put it on the plug. And yeah, I already know that it has spark because I was touching the metal and it shocked the living crap out of me. Well, that's one way you know how, that's one way. Why can I not speak? One way you know that you have spark. Oh, it's on the compression stroke. Well, yeah, it shocked me, so it definitely has spark. So, well, that's one way of checking to see if an engine has spark. Touching bare metal. Rookie mistakes. Okay. So Okay. Put our plug wire on. Okay. Okay, well, I guess that's the end of this video. So, I got the coil gapped and put on there, so all the bolts are tight for that, so I'd say that's a wrap.